Hey guys, how many times have you heard on YouTube somebody buy something at Goodwill and tell everyone that they're going to resell it for $20, $30, $50, $100, and you're thinking, okay, sure, cool story, bro. Yeah, right, me too. I've definitely questioned people's estimates about how much money they're going to make and if they're going to make any money at all. So this video on YouTube, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to analyze the sales that I've made to resell and use the YouTube videos I've done in the past as a way to do that. So I posted my first back to Goodwill after quarantine haul back in May.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And I said that I spent about $200 on several items. Let's see what actually sold. You can see how excited I was about that Lovers and Friends romper that I found at Goodwill. I spent $6 and I was right about that one. I sold it on Mercari and I made $46 after fees. So I profited $40 from that one romper. I was also excited about some Levi's cutoff denim shorts that I found at Goodwill. Those cost me $3 each and both sold very quickly on Mercari. The black pair, I made $24. The other pair, I made $35 off of just those shorts. So great profit there. The Lulu's dress took a little bit to sell, but I made $16 off of that after fees. Cost me $6, so I still made $10. Not my best sale, but $10, can't argue with that. These Alo leggings that I was really excited about the print, I was right about those too because I sold them and then after Poshmark fees made $48. I spent $4 on those leggings, so that was a fantastic flip, a profit of $44. The Crocs, I was right about too. Those sold pretty quickly and I got $24 from Poshmark after fees, which left me with a profit of about $17. Very slow on math, but I did make $17 from the Crocs. Nike turned out to be my underdog of the summer. Those Nike things sold pretty quickly and I ended up getting a lot more Nike shorts, which also sold quickly. Not a ton of profit, usually about $10 profit, but they all sold very quickly. So made a decent amount of money off of these Nike things. Now I only showed you the highlights of that haul when I did my original Thrift With Me video. So right now I'm gonna do a montage of all of the things that maybe I didn't show you and just show you what else sold in this thrifting trip. So counting up all of those things that sold, I spent $97 on the things that are no longer in my possession, and the money that I ended up with after fees, shipping, everything, $410. So I am happy about that. One of my first thrifting videos I actually posted during quarantine when thrifting was not a thing. You might remember I asked some Coast Guard spouses in a Facebook group that I was a part of if they had any clothes that they wanted to get rid of, and I got some great responses from 4 different people. When I posted this video, I guessed that I would be turning $0 into $200. So let's just check and see what actually sold and if I was right. The Nike sweatshirt sold the day that I posted it on Mercari, and I was able to walk away with $12. Somebody must have sold LuLaRoe because I have now about 30 LuLaRoe dresses and tops. Let me pop up and show you all of the LuLaRoe that has sold and how much money I made off of it. So as you can see, I was most excited about the shoes, and I was right about that too. I ended up selling the 2 brand new men's Toms in a bundle. My profit from that bundle after fees was $30. Those Lulu boots, those were super cute. Those sold on Mercari and I made a profit of $18 off of that after fees. And then check out these blue flats. These sold in like 5 minutes on Mercari. I had no idea that this is a brand anybody wanted, honestly. I just almost put them in the pile to head back to Goodwill. But I kept them and I made a very quick $10. Isn't that crazy? And here's the thing that I definitely did not expect. My highest earning item from this whole donation haul, blowfish sandals. I didn't even show these in the video because I didn't think they were very exciting, but they got a lot of attention on all the platforms that I listed them on, and I made $21. This with some like kind of watercolored tie-dye on it, I think would be very pretty. One of the items that I did a little DIY thrift flip, I turned into this tie-dye sweatshirt with an ice dye method. If you're wondering how I did this, I have a video on how to do that. I'll put that up here, and then I'll also put it down in the description box so you don't miss that. After you finish watching this video, I was able to sell that, and I made a nice $12. And I gotta do something fun. I really liked making that sweatshirt. Real quick, here's another montage of everything that's sold that I got for free and for how much from that donation haul. So adding up everything that I've sold from that free haul so far, I have made $215, and I still have several things in my closet that have not sold yet. And here's the other thing. I've been a little lazy about this. There were a lot of kids' clothes in that haul as well that I just put off listing, and I still haven't listed. I have the pictures, I have them inventoried, they're in my apartment, but I never listed them. So combining these two videos, I spent $97 on the things that sold, and I have now walked away with $625. That is a great return on my investment, but we gotta talk about my mistakes. The things that I thought would sell really quickly, but just didn't. This Zara pleated black jumpsuit. It's got long legs. It's got kind of like that faux wrap neckline. Another Zara piece at that same Goodwill. This is kind of like a velvety V-neck peplum top. The two Zara pieces from the first video still sitting in my closet. Not a lot of attention on those. The $800 Rebecca Taylor dress I actually haven't listed yet because I noticed that the staining was much worse than I originally thought that it was. And it looks like it might be blood. So if anybody has any good advice about how to get the stain out of that dress, I would really like to get it listed, but I don't have it in the condition that I want it to be at this point. And sadly, I also have not yet dyed the things that I promised I was gonna tie dye. I have a huge death pile, if you will, of white items to tie dye that I'm hoping to get to once I get home because I got a lot of work to do and I know that they will sell. I just need to actually create them. So the lesson for the spring into the summertime, I learned that athletic wear just flew out of my closet. Really didn't make any mistakes in that realm. And obviously I think that's because of quarantine and what's going on with the world. The more formal wear, the fancy clothes and dresses, I have not sold as much. So I think I'm going to really consider what I'm gonna be buying going into winter. So if you do something similar to this, hold yourself accountable. I would love to see it. Definitely comment below if you've ever calculated how much you've made just from one thrifting trip. Let me know, and let me know what's selling for you guys too. Thanks again for watching this video. Please do me a huge favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can continue making and providing content like this for you in the future. Have a great day.